Hi friends, this is 5 minutes to YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. In this video, you will learn how you can set auto call recording in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. First of all, go to call button here and go to three vertical dots and click on settings there. Click on settings. Now click on record calls and click on auto record calls. Turn on auto record calls and accept terms and conditions. Click on confirm and click on auto record calls. Click over auto record calls. First option available is all calls. That means all incoming and outgoing calls will be recorded. If you select second one, calls with unsaved numbers, unknown numbers will have only auto call recording, and others that is contacts in your tablet will not have the call recording. Okay, if you select the third one, calls with specific numbers, you can assign specific numbers and those numbers will have only auto call recording. For this, you go to add number. Click on numbers to auto record and you can add number yourself here, or you can select from contacts. Click on contacts and here I select Balamurugan, Daniel, Karuvadu, Metappan, Money, etc. Okay, click on done. So these numbers will not have auto call, will have only auto call recording, and others will not have auto call recording. Okay, you can also yourself add number. Type here number. For example, here I type some number like this and click on plus symbol, and those number will have only auto call recording, others will not have. Okay, suppose if you want to record all incoming and outgoing calls, select first one and then you can get all incoming and outgoing calls recorded while speaking in the call. Okay, now I set in all calls and I check. So I make a call from another number and that will be received in my tablet. See here, yes, call is receiving and I attend the call. Okay, now I speak something on my phone. Hello, call recording checking, call recording checking, call recording checking, call recording checking, thank you. Okay, then I cut the call, and to see the recorded call, just go to my files in your tablet and click on internal storage and click on call, and this is recorded call. Okay, just play it.
No, I need something on my mobile phone. Hello. No.
You can also check yourself from this call button. Okay, go to call button and click on this three vertical dots, click on settings and click on record calls and click on recorded calls, and here you will have. Okay, so in this way you can easily set auto call recording in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.